My first journey to London. I remember my first journey to London very well. It was a big dream for me. For many years, I wanted to see London. I wanted to walk near the River Thames, to look at Big Ben, and to visit the famous museums. I wanted to feel the life of the city. One day, my dream came true. The beginning. I started my journey in the morning. The sky was clear and the air was fresh. I packed my bag with care. I put inside my passport, my ticket, some clothes, and my camera. I wanted to take many photos. I was a little nervous, but I was also very happy. At the airport, I saw many people. Some were young, some were old. Some looked tired, and some looked excited. I thought, we are all travelers. We all have stories. I waited for my flight. I looked at the big planes outside. They were strong and fast. Soon it was time to go. The flight. The plane was full. I sat near the window. I liked to look outside. When the plane went up, I saw the city below. The houses looked small, the cars looked like toys. The sky was blue, and the clouds were white. It was beautiful. The flight was long, but I did not mind. I read a book, I listened to music, and I thought about London. I thought about the places I wanted to see. I wanted to see Buckingham Palace, the Tower of London, and the London Eye. I wanted to walk in Hyde Park. I wanted to drink tea in a small cafe. Arrival in London. When the plane landed, I felt excited. I was in London. The airport was big and busy. People walked fast. I followed the signs and found my bag. Then I went outside. The air was cool. The sky was gray. I saw red buses and black taxis. I thought, yes, this is London. I took a taxi to my hotel. The driver was friendly. He spoke with a strong accent. I listened carefully. It was not easy, but I understood some words. The hotel. My hotel was small but nice. The room was clean. There was a bed, a table, and a window. From the window, I could see the street. People walked, cars passed, and buses stopped. I felt happy. I was ready to explore. First walk. I went outside and started to walk. The street was full of life. I saw shops, cafes, and people from many countries. I heard many languages. I felt that London was a city for the world. I walked to the River Thames. The river was wide and calm. I saw boats on the water. I saw the Tower Bridge. It was big and strong. I took many photos. I smiled. Big Ben and Westminster. I walked more, and soon I saw Big Ben. It was tall and beautiful. The clock was clear. I stood there for a long time. I looked at it and thought, I am here. I see Big Ben with my own eyes. Near Big Ben was the Palace of Westminster. It was very big. The walls were old and strong. Many tourists were there. We all looked at the same place. We all felt the same wonder. Buckingham Palace. The next day, I went to Buckingham Palace. The palace was white and large. The flag was on the top. That meant the Queen was inside. Many people stood near the gate. We waited for the guards. Soon they came. They wore red coats and black hats. They walked in a line. It was very nice to see. I took photos and watched the people. Some smiled, some waved, some just looked. I thought, this is history. This is tradition. The London Eye. Later, I went to the London Eye. It was very high. I bought a ticket and went inside. The wheel moved slowly. When I was at the top, I saw the whole city. I saw the river, the bridges, the houses, and the parks. It was amazing. I felt free. The museums. I also visited museums. The British Museum was very big. Inside, I saw old things from many countries. I saw statues, books, and art. I walked for hours. I learned many things. I went to the Natural History Museum too. I saw a big dinosaur. Children looked at it with wide eyes. I smiled. I felt like a child too. The parks. London has many parks. I walked in Hyde Park. The trees were green, the grass was soft, and the air was fresh. People walked, ran, and rode bikes. Some sat on benches. Some fed birds. I sat near the lake. I watched the ducks. I felt calm.
Tea time.
One afternoon, I went to a small cafe. I ordered tea and a cake. The tea was hot, the cake was sweet. I looked outside the window. People walked fast. I sat slow. I thought, this is London life. Busy outside, quiet inside. The people. In London, I met many people. Some were kind, some were busy. Some smiled, some did not. But all were part of the city. I spoke with a man in the park.
He told me about his life.
He said he liked London, but sometimes it was too fast. I understood. The end of the journey. After some days, it was time to go home. I packed my bag again. I looked at my photos. I saw Big Ben, the river, the palace, the park. I smiled. I had many memories. At the airport, I felt a little sad. I did not want to leave, but I also felt happy. I had seen London. I had lived my dream. Reflection. Now, when I think of London, I feel warm inside. I remember the river, the buses, the tea, the people. I remember the sound of Big Ben. I remember the view from the London Eye. My first journey to London was not just a trip. It was a story. It was a dream that came true. It was a part of my life.